Hello everybody, today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can register for Apex Legend. So yeah, let's get started. So very first thing is that in my Play Store there is no Apex Legends available right now, and if I search for that it would show you a companion for Apex Legends just like this. Method that I'm gonna show you is changing the country to specific, okay, because right now Apex Legend is only available for Indonesia and India, and that's why it's not showing for you. So to be able to pre-register this, you need to set your profile, okay, on setting. You can check on your setting on the general tab and on account and device preference. So in my case, you can see on country profiles, here is a Nepal, so it should be switched to India, but it won't work at all. Even if you do, it should show you some sort of warning that you can't do this for 1 year after changing your country. So I would recommend changing the country. So basically what you guys need to do is create a new profile, a new Gmail profile. Okay, so in my case, a new profile, when I tested with this one, it showed Apex Legend. As you guys can see that this shows you pre-register. This work because I have not set up the country or any kind of payment. All right, so in account and device service, you can see that. So I can simply see here, switch to Nepal Play Store, and this happened because I have already connected to VPN to India. All right, let me show you how to do this step by step right now. So I'm just going to log in with my new created Gmail right now. So I will assume you that you guys have already created a new Gmail. So let's get started. All right, so first thing is that you need to add the account. So to add the account, just tap over here and add another account just like this. And you need to set up your fingerprint. Now try adding your new account. So right now I'm going to log in this account on the Play Store and tap on I agree, and still checking the information. All right, so you can tap on that now, and yeah, this is also the new account as you guys can see here. So here, now go to the setting on general account and preference. So you can see that it's showing me still the switch to Nepal Play Store. So in your case, it should be your country name instead of Nepal. So I'm going to back over here, and if I search for Apex Legend, you can see that it's not working because you need to install the VPN. Okay, so go ahead and install the Turbo VPN and make sure to install this. And after you have installed this, now we need to hover and click on the or tap on the app information and go to storage, and from here you need to clear the data and tap on OK. So now you can see that we have cleared the Google Play Store. Now do not launch the Play Store right now because it might be messed. Just launch the Turbo VPN right now and tap on this globe icon, and it will refresh you all of the server. So now you can see that there are tons of server, and all you guys need to do is find the India. Okay, just go ahead and set up the India server. Now it's been connecting. All right, so now it's been connected, showing the ads. You can skip that. So go ahead and open up the Play Store once again, and here let's switch to the profile that I have chosen. So here you can see that. So this is a new account that just logging on to the Google Play Store, and that's why you need to accept it. And here you can search for Apex Legend. So go ahead and search for Apex Legend. Now, boom, there you go, guys. That's how you need to set up this profile to be able to pre-register. So let's go ahead and, so now you can see that I have pre-register here. The option is already gone and it's showing unregistered, which I will not do that. So now you can still disconnect the VPN, but I want to show you something here once again. So go to setting, on general, account and device preference. So here you can see that it's showing to switch to the India Play Store, which by mean we have just connect this profile, okay, or switch to the India. And the main reason that the people will fail with their main profile is because they have set up the payment method, you know what I'm talking about. So here I have added the payment method, you can see that. And if I try to switch, I can't. Even if I do this, you can see we have a error called 365 days, and just you won't be able to make it up, okay? So as you guys can see that it's not working at all, guys. So trust me, you need to do this, okay, to instead of work that. So I'm just going to show you in this one profile as well that I have shown you that it should work. There you go, pre-register, get notified, install when available. And same thing with this profile as well. And there we go, pre-register, get notified, install it. So this is how you guys can do this. So that's it for today, and make sure to like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.